Okay, so Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm going to proceed with Unit 6 about money. Okay, so in this unit, you have to understand, memorize, faham, hafal and correctly use vocabulary, perbendaan kata related to jobs and chores, and money and shopping. Okay, this is what we are going to learn today about vocabulary. It's about words. Okay, so if you have your past with you, please open to page 62. Okay, so for this topic about vocab and speaking about jobs and chores. Okay, chores is an ordinary job that we do regularly every day. Okay, or often do it, the job. Okay, look at the thing about it section. Okay, ask yourself, who does which chores in your house? Okay, look at the table given. Okay, and who does these chores in your house? Siapa yang buat? Is it you or your family, your other family members? Okay, look at number 1. Okay, listen and repeat the jobs and chores. Which jobs are the most enjoyable? Which are the least enjoyable? So, your task is, I want you to understand each of these words and then you have to classify these jobs into most enjoyable and least enjoyable. Okay, letak di sini 2 kotak. Satu letak most enjoyable bahagian ni, satu lagi least enjoyable. Okay, it's based on your decision or your opinion. Which job you think that is most enjoyable and least enjoyable. Okay, before that, please listen to this audio first. Okay, I want you to listen to this audio 2.24. Okay, this is because I want you to correct your pronunciation. Okay, we have to learn how to pronounce things from time to time. Okay, because it will help us.
Vocabulary and speaking. Job chores. Exercise 1.
Wash cars. Babysit. Pet sit. Deliver newspapers. Take dogs for walks. Do the ironing. Clean the windows. Do the washing up. Lay the table. Tidy your room. Make the bed. Do the gardening. Okay, so I hope you also speak with the audio just now. Okay, to improve your pronunciation. And then look here. I want you to find the meaning of words that you are unfamiliar with. Okay, cari makna perkataan yang kamu tak faham. Okay, you can find it by using dictionary, or you can also Google the words. Okay, because nowadays are very easier to find the meaning of some words. Senang saja, cari je. Okay, but if you have any problem, just tell me so that I can help you. Okay, the second task is about community notice board or an advert. Okay, so here, what I want you to do is fill in the blanks here by using the answers from exercise 1. Okay, for number 2, I want you to copy the sentences and fill in the blank. Okay. I think for exercise 2, complete the advert with words from exercise 1. Okay, and then please answer this question. Which 2 people are looking for work? Yang mana? 2 orang yang tengah mencari pekerjaan. Okay, number 3, no need to do it. Okay, no need to do number 3. No need. Okay. Number 4, express yourself. Okay, think about the chores you do at home. Complete the sentences. Okay, I want you to do this one. Number 2, yes, you do the number 2 exercise. Number 4. Okay, number 4, you have to complete the sentences. For example, number 1. I always clean the dishes. Or I always clean the table. Or I usually cut the grass. Tulislah apa yang kamu buat dekat rumah. I sometimes help my mom at the kitchen. Tu chores ke? I sometimes help my mother to clean the kitchen after cooking. Contoh-contoh dia. Jadi nombor 4 boleh buat, nombor 5 tak payah buat lah. Okey, jadi untuk hari ni, teacher nak kamu buat exercise 1. Okay, this is self-learning. Sebab apa self-learning? Kamu kena, kamu sendirilah kena jujur dengan diri kamu. You have to be honest with yourself. Okay, you have to practice speaking this word. Practice cakap. Kalau dalam kelas kamu malu-malu, tapi kamu seorang-seorang, kamu boleh practice cakap. Okay, and then you have to find the word, the meaning of this word. If you don't know lah. Kalau tak tahu, cari makna dalam kamus. Okay, sebab ni tentang vocab. Vocab memang macam ni. Kamu kena tahu tentang perkataan-perkataan. Okay, related to jobs and chores. And then, nombor 2, latihan 2. Fill in the blanks for this adverb. Jawapan dia ada dekat nombor 1. Kemudian, nombor 3 tak payah buat. Nombor 4, buat. Okay, jadi nak buat dia, salinlah. Salin dalam buku exercise. Okay, tak payah lukis-lukis lah. Buatlah ikut kreativiti. Benda ni tak banyak pun. Okay, so that's all for today. Kalau ada soalan related to the word that I gave you or you don't know how to answer this question, okay, please message me because I'm always waiting for your questions during my class. Because we cannot meet face to face, but we can learn through online. Kita boleh belajar tentang online. Kalau tak perlulah tanya mak kamu ke yang tak tahu, kamu tanya je teacher terus. Okay, boleh guna, kalau malas nak type, guna sound recorder tu. Hantar dekat teacher, teacher boleh balas. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you. Dah siap nanti. Hantar dekat teacher. Okay. Thank you.